Imagine this: you're standing on the precipice of a new financial journey. A journey that promises simplicity, flexibility, and a whole lot of tech-savvy goodness. But before you can embark on this adventure, there's one crucial question: how long does it take to open a Lunar account? Let's dive in and find out. Lunar isn't just another bank. It's a financial platform designed to fit seamlessly into your modern lifestyle. With features like cardless payments, budgeting tools, and investment options, Lunar offers a unique blend of convenience and functionality. The opening process, a step-by-step guide. Download the app. The first step is to download the Lunar app from your preferred app store. It's a quick and painless process that takes just a few minutes. Create your account. Once the app is downloaded, you'll be guided through the account creation process. This involves providing basic personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Verification. To ensure security, Lunar will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves uploading a photo of your ID or passport. Choose your card. Lunar offers a variety of card options to suit your needs. Select the card that best aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds. Lunar supports various deposit methods, including bank transfers and card payments. How long does it actually take? The actual time it takes to open a Lunar account can vary depending on factors like the speed of your internet connection and how quickly you can provide the necessary documentation. However, in most cases, the entire process can be completed within a few hours. Factors affecting opening time. Internet speed. A fast internet connection can significantly speed up the verification process. Document quality. Ensuring that your ID or passport photo is clear and legible can prevent delays. Verification process. The time it takes for Lunar to verify your identity may vary. Server load. If Lunar servers are experiencing high traffic, there might be slight delays. Additional tips for a smooth opening process. Have your documents ready. Before starting the application process, gather all the necessary documents, such as your ID, proof of address, and income proof. Check for errors. Carefully review all the information you enter to avoid mistakes that could delay the process. Contact Lunar support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Lunar's customer support team. Opening a Lunar account is a straightforward and efficient process. With a few simple steps and a bit of patience, you can be up and running with your new financial platform in no time. So, if you're ready to experience the future of banking, download the Lunar app and start your journey today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.